All right, check it out. 210,000 mile Toyota sticking up on some maintenance. Look at the inside of this engine. 210,000 miles. Clean, baby. So we're going to catch up on some maintenance. 12 of 07, I guess, is the last time it was cleaned. I'm not really sure. We don't do the regular repairs and maintenance on this car, but he's just becoming a regular customer here to catch up on things. We're going to replace some evap hoses that are cracked and starting to come apart. All this stuff here is just, you know, it's seen its time. We're going to change the PCV valve. The customer did the spark plugs. We're going to put some coil boots in it. But can you say the inside of your engine looks like this? And if you can say this, then you know why this car is still on the road. Boom, baby. You know it. This is Toyota's best engine ever produced according to the Toyota Car Care Model. Best engine produced.
Well, this era of V8s, so this 4.7 and
call out the engine class, Caleb. Give it to him.
This is the 2UZ, so the UZ engines are the best.
2UZ?
So he has a 1UZ in his Lexus.
1UZ, which is the
smaller version.
First one.
This is the 4.0, this is the 4.7.
4.7, the same engine in my Sequoia.
Then the two, is this a 2 or a 3?
2.
So then this is their, because I was going to say the LS430 is a UZ, the 460 is a UZ.
I don't know if those are as good as the initial.
Not only is it better ferrous and non-ferrous materials, right? It's not uncommon,
for these,
and it's not a secret that Toyota Lexus owners take care of their car. And I'm not saying anything bad about anyone, but Kia and Hyundai owners, and don't take this personal, right? This comes right out of their dealerships. It's
also bad advice.
What is it?
Bad advice. Bad
advice too. They're probably not telling the customers, but regardless, if you talk about buying Toyota Lexus, it's not only is it great engineering and quality, not present day, but back in the day, but the customers who use Toyota and Lexus products maintain their cars. Maybe their budgets are different. Maybe they're programmed differently at the dealership. Where I've heard Kia and Hyundai customers don't maintain anything, coming right out of the dealership technicians' mouths. Like they recommend this, they recommend that, and it's no, 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 no. That's not everybody. This is just me reporting what the industry feedback is from over 500,000 views a month to my channels. And it's all guys in the industry. Some of it's customers. A lot of it is real deal information coming right out of the bays. So I'm just telling you, this is what it is. You buy a car like this that's been taken care of, this vehicle here will see over 300,000 miles. No problem whatsoever. It's going to cost you some money to get there like just anything else, but it's not going to have huge internal engine failure like Toyota has today or GM has today.
Look at how clean the inside of the motor is.
Yeah. Yep. All right, you saw it here. Does your engine look like this inside the valve covers? I want to bet you all my engines do. Sequoia, definitely, no doubt. Race car, yes. F-150? F-150
is the maybe.
Maybe, but I change it a lot, and
well, yeah.
It may look a little bit like this from discoloration, and we're calling maybe the PCV valve hasn't been serviced enough on this side, and that's why we have a little discoloration.
Maybe the 250.
Yeah, maybe. But I mean, look at this: 210,000 miles.
The plow truck is rarely driven.
Sick, isn't it?
So
looking good.
Plow truck's rarely